We are at the LexTalk World Conference Day 1, and here with us is Mr. Ramy Rasmy, Assistant Manager at DMAC Group. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, thank you so much, and pleasure to be here and attend this event.
I hope you're having a good time.
Yes, definitely it's a good time, and it's a very nice insights got it, and the information and experience as well from the brilliant panels, speakers. I got new knowledge in today and this amazing event. Thank you so much.
So you had recently you spoke on the panel discussion topic of employment law and regulations, especially in the Middle East. So could you throw some limelight on, any particular highlight that you found from the panel discussion to our viewers?
Yes, sure. As discussed in the panel, that UAE it's a module in marketing world as well, in that regard that any worker can find a good opportunity in UAE. The UAE law is specifically gives the fair being opportunity to everyone without any disclaimer between man and women. Everyone has equally the right to work once he has the good opportunity. Also the environment of UAE, actually it's a module for the worldwide to work here in UAE. And today we discussed the right of compensation and how the worker can request for the right of compensation, and what is the procedure gonna to take place in the court to reach the compensation, and how to find the compensations amount, and you get any compensation amount from the court. Yeah. Moreover, the Supreme Court in UAE, either in Abu Dhabi court or in the Cassation Court in Dubai, has a huge number of principles for the UAE laws.